Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So a while back I did do the wireless charger install on my XC60, and I did do that install because it is much more convenient to use rather than having to use the cables all of the time. And I do not like the look that a cable is always cluttering the middle console, and they do seem to always break, which this one is about to. So I did get rid of the cable once I installed the wireless charger, but after I got Apple CarPlay in the car, it made me go back to using the cable because the car doesn't have any wireless CarPlay and it needs the cable to connect to CarPlay. So to eliminate this small problem, I went and bought myself an adapter. So I did get this adapter from AliExpress and it was quite cheap. And it should just go inside the USB port. So let's try it out. So we won't need this anymore for the CarPlay. So we'll remove it. So this is the USB that will go inside the USB port in the car. And it also came with an USB-C adapter, which I will not need since my car doesn't have the USB-C. So the stick goes inside the USB port. Just like that. And it is now flashing, so it has power. And once I stuck it inside the USB port, I did get the Apple CarPlay on the menu. So we'll accept. So we need to connect it to this Bluetooth device. Alright, so my phone automatically connected to the device, and all I had to do was turn on the CarPlay feature in the Bluetooth settings. So we are right now using the CarPlay wirelessly, and I've already tested everything out and everything works as it should. Unfortunately, I cannot turn on any music since the video will get a copyright issue if I do, but I did use the Spotify app and everything works as it should. So we did yet again get rid of the cables. Super easy to do. All you have to do is just insert the device in the port and connect to it through Bluetooth. Mine did connect automatically, and turn on the Bluetooth feature in the Bluetooth settings. Then it should be ready to use. I do think that this is much more convenient than using the cables to connect every time you get in the car. And I do not like having any cables going around the middle console. So this looks much more cleaner now without the cable. And that was pretty much it for this video. So the setup for the wireless CarPlay is super easy to do, and it doesn't take more than 5 minutes to set it up. If you're wondering why my phone is charging, it is not because the phone is connected to the car. I am actually using a power bank to charge my phone. The car right now is wireless. So the CarPlay is wireless. If you have any questions about this video, then please put them in the comments below. And as always, please like and subscribe. Thanks.